Have you ever thought to yourself, what style of beard works best for my face? Well, when it comes to beards, one size definitely does not fit all. Just like hairstyles, different beard styles work best for different face shapes. In this video, we're gonna help you choose the best beard style for your face shape so you can look your absolute best. Before we get started, let's learn how to measure your face shape. To determine your face shape, you're gonna need to write down these measurements. Across the widest part of your forehead, your cheekbones at their widest point, just underneath your eyes, your jawline from the back of your jaw to the point of your chin. Finally, measure the top of your hairline to the tip of your chin. Now that you've got these measurements, you can determine your face shape from the following categories. Oval. The length of your face is roughly 1.5 times the width of your forehead, and your cheekbones are the widest part of your face. Round. The length of your face is roughly the same as the width of your forehead and cheekbones. Square. Your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline are all roughly the same length. Oblong. The length of your face is longer than the width of your forehead and cheekbones, and your jawline is rounded. Diamond. Your cheekbones are the widest part of your face, and your forehead and jawline are narrower. Triangular. Your forehead is wider than your cheekbones and your jawline. Now that you know your beard shape, let's explore some of these styles to find the best one for you. Oval face shapes. Men with oval face shapes actually have the most versatile face shape around. You can pretty much get away with just about any beard style and it look good. So have a little bit of fun with it. Try literally anything you want. That said though, a short to medium length beard that is well trimmed and looked after will really help highlight your facial features without softening them too much. Round face shape. Now, if you've got a round face shape, try to choose a beard style that will actually help elongate your face. A beard that is longer on the bottom than the sides will actually help create a more angular look. Additionally, a goatee or a soul patch can actually help elongate the face as well. Men with square face shapes often have strong, angular jawlines, which can really be emphasized with the right beard shape. A full beard that's neatly trimmed can actually help to balance out the strong features of your face. Alternatively, a short box beard that follows the contours of your jawline will actually emphasize that, make it look even stronger. If you've got an oblong face shape, choose a beard that will actually add width to your face. A full beard with rounded edges can help create the illusion of a wider face. Additionally, a mustache that extends just past the corners of your mouth can help balance out the length of your face. Diamond face shape. Men with diamond face shapes have wider cheekbones and a narrow chin. To balance out your facial features, consider a beard that's shorter on the cheek and longer on the chin. A well-groomed goatee or even an anchor beard can help define your jawline, making it look stronger and more masculine. Guys, this has been What the Fact. My name is Richard, I'm the APAC sales manager here at The Bearded Chap. If you've liked the video, chuck us a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below if you guys have any questions that you want us to address. See you next time.